Hello bakers, you're welcome to Essential Kitchen. Today we're going to take you through on what baking is all about. In this class you're going to learn what baking is all about, the baked goods, the ingredients used in baking. So stay tuned. What comes to your mind when you hear baking? Baking is a process of cooking by dry heat, especially in an oven. Now we have some of the baked goods such as bread, pies, cookies, and pastries. Now we have tons of ingredients used in baking. They are much. So today I'm going to highlight some of the essential ingredients used in baking, such as one, flour. We have flour. We have a sweetener such as sugar. We have two types of sugar. We have white sugar and brown sugar. We have corn flour. We have leavening agents. These are the magic ingredients that causes your baked products to rise in the oven while baking. The magic ingredients are: one, we have baking powder, we have yeast, and baking soda. These are the magic ingredients that help our baking items to rise. And we have flavors. We have different types of flavors. We have strawberry, we have vanilla, we have mint flavor, we have pineapple flavor, we have coconut flavor, we have almond flavor, and we have it both in liquid and in dry. Then we have fat. Fat includes butter. We have shortening. We also have vegetable oil. You can use vegetable oil to bake in place of butter. We also have egg. We have cocoa powder. We use cocoa powder to do a chocolate cake. And like I said, we have liquid and dry flavors. Here are the dry flavors. We have it in a strawberry. We also have it in milk flavor and other flavors, in banana flavor, pineapple flavor. We have it both in liquid and dry. And we have salt. We have salt as a preservative, and also is for it add taste to your baked goods. We also have cornstarch. Cornstarch is a thickening agent, and you can also use it both in baking and in cooking. When you are cooking your Jamaica sauce, any kind of sauce, chicken sauce, you add a little corn flour to thicken the sauce. So we are going to explain all this in detail. All these ingredients are mixed together to create dough and butter. The difference between dough and butter is that dough is very thick and butter is light. Like when you want to bake a cake, you mix all the ingredients to form a batter. It's very light. So, which is then transferred to a pan or sheets and heated. The leavening agents produce gas that becomes trapped in the dough, causing it to rise. Now let's look at flour. We have different kinds of flour. We have light flour and hard flour. We have all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour is your all-round baking assistant. You can use it for pretty much anything, including bread. However, bread made from this type of flour is usually softer in texture. While whole wheat flour is typically used for bread and is a good source of fiber. It isn't suitable for cakes and cookies, and the baked goods, it would have a aqueous texture, meaning that If you want to buy flour, just go for all-purpose flour. Leave other type of flour, because when you use other type of flour, you cannot be able to use it and produce all your products. So when you want to buy, just buy all-purpose flour, because you can use all-purpose flour to make both pies, cakes, bread, and cookies. Now we have a leavening agent. These are the magic ingredients that makes your baked goods rise when they are in the oven. Examples of leavening agents are: 1. Baking soda. This is baking soda. This is baking soda. This is a baking powder. While this is yeast. These are the leavening agents we have that help to rise your baked goods. However, you can't just substitute one for the other. Baking soda needs to be mixed with something acidic, like lemon juice, for it to produce carbon dioxide, while baking powder already contains an acidic ingredient. Adding water to it triggers the chemical reaction. That is why we don't use water while baking, especially when you are baking with a baking powder. And finally, yeast is essential for fermenting. We use yeast to bake anything: bread, any kind of bread, donuts, buns, puff. So that's what we use yeast for. The another one is fat. Fat refers to butter, shortening, and vegetable oil. Fat refers to butter. You can use butter to bake. You can use vegetable oil. And there is another one called shortening. I don't have it here. So you use all of them to bake. Butter gives baked goods flavor. Aside from that, it also adds moisture and help to tenderize the texture of what you are making. Now another one we have sweeteners. The common sweeteners used is sugar, granulated sugar, brown sugar, and honey. So we have two types of sugar. We have white sugar and brown sugar. Brown sugar and honey. Granulated sugar is used in most baking recipes. It sweetens, tenderizes, and adds moisture to your baked goods. Brown sugar is granulated sugar with molasses mixed in and different in texture. It's added with caramelizations and help with the browning process. We also have water. We use water to mix some of the ingredients. Some of the baked ingredients we use water. We use salt. Salt adds taste to your baked goods. It also acts as a preservative. Then we have flavors and egg. Egg whites are used to produce a light, airy texture and yolk. And the yolk contributes color. Flavor used for moisturizing and flavoring. So this is all the ingredients. This is some of the essential ingredients you use in baking. Thank you very much. We have come to the end of this class. If you have any question, please drop it on the comment section.